So, good morning, everyone, students. So, start continuing with our French marathon lecture. For especially for 10th standard CBSE and ICSE students, we are solving a lot of grammar topic in this today's video. Students, if you're looking for any online or offline tuitions for the upcoming students, also next year, also students are going to surely refer us and subscribe to our channel for more such update. Till the last day, I'm going to make a lot of videos for you guys. Also, if you want to be a part of a live class, you can drop me a message on WhatsApp. I can let you know exactly how we are going to uh, run this lectures live on Zoom, and we have even now other students joining us in a while. So the entire course, the entire French grammar marathon is a live class. Is basically it's a uh, yeah. So basically, what are we doing is we are conducting live class wherein all the grammar topics will be taught. The best part about it is, as compared to going live on YouTube, students, this part is much more better, wherein students can interact, students can ask doubts, and it's more easy for me also to teach them French. Yeah. So let's get started, students. I'm going to wait for others to join in just in a second, and we are going to start the class. So students, we are solving some tenses over here. Mettez les verbes au caractère gras au temps qui convient. First of all, we are going to decide the tense. Very important first one. Elle viendra. Si tu le dash. Guys, which tense it can come over here? She will come if tu dash. Guys, the rule says C plus present plus future simpler. Do you all agree? C plus present plus future simpler. Okay, students? So the first one, any
Future
guess?
present.
Exactly. So first one, it is going to be present tense, students, because C is given and future simple is given. So first one, it is going to be present tense. Okay. Second one, now or dash parlions. Usually students en and then there will be always present participle. Okay, present participle, present participle. You all know how to do present participle. Have you done that? This is gerundive. Okay, this is in one of the chapter. We don't have it. Okay, students, but I'll just help you write the answer. Pass on. You have to just do new form, cancel ONS, and put ANT. So you can avoid second one for the time being. Second, si je dash Jean aurait donné. Again, this is aurait donné. Students, for the timing, you can leave third one also because even that is not in our syllabus for the timing. Okay, this is passé uh, conditional, which we don't have from the omitted chapters. Okay, next after that, préparez-vous pour que nos invités dash à l'aise. Pour que nos invités. Guys, I'm just putting subjunctive. We again have it in the different part, but just writing over your subjunctive, you just have to conjugate in subjunctive. Okay, I just want you to guys do it in subjunctive over here. Next, il a passé sa journée sans dash. Sans, guys, whenever there's preposition and then there will be infinitive. Okay, after preposition there will always be a full verb. It will be sans manger, full verb as it is. Nous partirons demain si tu dash. We will leave tomorrow. Again, this is present tense because it goes with the first rule. Si plus present plus future simple. Okay. Nous partirons demain si tu dash. So it's going to be present tense. I'm just writing AS over here. I'm writing the answer also. Okay. Tu and with. Seventh one. Students, nous dash vous voir. Will come to see you next week. Guys, la semaine prochaine. Next week. What tense will this be? La semaine prochaine. It's going to be future simpler. Is that okay, students? Future simpler. Nous viendrons. We will come to see you next week. We will come to see you next week. Is that okay, students? Je dash trop travailler, alors je me suis endormi. So, je me suis endormi, students, this is past tense, okay? So, I'm just assuming j'ai trop de travail. J'ai trop travaillé. So, I fell asleep. I was working. Trop is too much, okay? Too much. I'm just using passé composé. J'ai trop travaillé. Okay, I worked too much, so I fell asleep. I've used passé composé. Okay, number 8, students. I'm using passé composé over here. J'ai trop travaillé almost. Okay, students, this trop. Let me tell you what is trop. TROP, guys. Throw is basically an adverb of quantity, okay? Adverb of quantity. And usually it always goes throw. It always goes after the first conjugated verb. Can you see the placement? J'ai trop travaillé after the first conjugated verb. Number 9, here. So yesterday, number 9, it's L a quitté, passé composé, because here is given. Here means past tense, okay? Yesterday she quitted home early. Il faisait très beau. Guys, whenever there's a description in the past, okay, they're describing the weather was beautiful. So it will be imparfait, past continuous tense, imparfait. Okay, past continuous tense. Next after that, nous dash la menu nous our view. Guys, tell me which tense that they have used over here. Can you guess the tense that they have used over here? Okay. So that is passé composé, okay? We were there, but we did not see you. We did not see you, okay? So I'm going to use, so this être verb, okay? Être I'm using imparfait. We were there. Past tense, okay? They have also used past tense, so even I have to use something in the past. Even I have to use something in the past, okay? We were there, but we did not see you. But we did not see you. Next after that, Eric promenera. Guys, anybody can guess what tense is this? Tell me the tense, students, please.
Future sampler.
Very good. Future sampler, okay? So Eric promenera, Lucia. And guys, over here, the indication is also given over here. Indication is given, future simple is given. I'm going to use which tense? It is future antérieur, okay? Because they have given us the indication and they have given us the future simple. Okay, so let's start number 11. I have to do future antérieur subject plus rentrer will go with être avoir. Students, any guess? The verb rentrer will go with être avoir. Okay, it will go with être verb. So I'm going to use subject plus être in future simple. Il sera rentré. Il sera rentré. Subject plus future simple, être, and then past participle. Okay, everybody, I hope you all remember the rules. Okay. Next, de ka nu dash. Nu la lui avodi. Guys, देखो de ka is an indication again. In the question, they have avodi. This is passe compose. In the question, indication is given and passe compose is given. Which tense will I do? Tell me. Indication is given and passe compose is given. It's plus que parfait, students. It's going to be plus que parfait. De ka nu dash. Nous avions pris. It's going to be nous subject plus conjugation verb avoir in imparfait plus past participle. Okay, nous avions pris. Is that okay, students? Nous avions pris une décision. Number 13, sera. Sera is again, students, same. Can you see future simple and an indication? Sera. It means, will you be at the cafe quand? So again, I'm going to use future antérieur over here. Future antérieur. Nous plus subject noun plus conjugation verb être. Guys, what is être in future simple? Être in future simple. Come on. Anyone? Être in future simple? It's going to be
So
new
sera,
form. Yeah, new form.
Nous
So
serons.
nous serons arrivés. An extra S will come. Okay, nous serons arrivés. 14.1. Je veux que tu dash. Guys, I'm using subjunctive over here. Okay, I'm just assuming because this is a question where they have given us all together. Okay, that's I'm using subjunctive. In our board exam, we won't have all of them together. Okay, Subjanti will come in a different question. Last, as you fini la histoire que? Did you finish the story which you started? Que tu as commencé. I'm just using passé composé because they have also given us passé composé. So that's it. So students, I want all of you to copy this down. Your time starts now. You should know the rules. Okay, very important. Okay. Students, you can take a screenshot of this if you haven't finished yet. I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm going to move forward now. The next topic that we have to do for today, students, is direct indirect. Okay, on the screen, everybody will read the question and try to solve them. Okay, I'm going to wait for a while. There are five or six questions in front of you. Till I want all of you to try on your own. Your time starts now. Okay. Questions il me garanti tu réussiras. So now I'm going to start writing the answers. Il me We are changing from direct to indirect. Okay, il me garanti. Garantid. Co. So it is the first type of sentence. Simple sentence. So you put co. He guarantees me you will succeed. So he guarantees me that I will succeed. Okay. Je réussirai. Je réussirai. Perfect. That's it. Okay. Second one. Vous demandez à Pierre. You ask to Pierre. Partira Kyudama. Guys, it's a question mark. So whenever there's a question mark, what we will do? Anyone? Vous demandez à
Yes,
Pierre.
C, sir.
C will come. Okay, perfect. And then we have to do affirmative. Okay, straight. C. You are asking to Pierre, will you leave tomorrow? So if he will leave tomorrow, okay, I'm just putting it if he will leave tomorrow, okay. You are asking to Pierre if he will, okay. Il partira. We will keep the same tense, okay. The tense is future simple. I will keep the tense same future simple. Dama. Full stop. Vous demandez à Pierre s'il partira demain. Third one, il leur déclare. He declares to them, I will love you always. Okay, again it's a normal one, students. Il leur déclare que he is declaring to them that il que il lays that he will love them. Okay, that he will always love them. He will always aimera toujours. He will always love them. He is declaring to them that he will always love them. Okay, perfect. Fourth one, she is asking, est-ce que quelqu'un nous accompagne? She's asking, is it that someone is accompanying us? So now there's est-ce que will change to sucker. Okay, students, or we can just put C will come. No, it's a question mark, so I can put C. L demande C if quelqu'un. She is asking if someone is accompanying us. Okay, news ACCOMPAGN. Everything else will remain same. She's asking if someone is accompanying us. Number 5, the Mama Dia Sofis we went to the suite. Very nice, students. It's again very important from a board exam point of view. It will surely come. Okay, tell me. You guys will have to help me. Okay, the Mama Dia Sofis. So it's a command imperative. So imperative will change to. Yesterday also we did the same thing. Tell me. Imperative will change to. The Mama Dia Sofis. Anybody, imperative, students, tell me imperative will change to. The imperative will change to, students, the plus full verb, okay? The mama diya office, the vanir to the sweet. Come on, everyone, students, we have done this so many times. Whenever there's imperative, it will change to vanir, the plus infinitive. The mama adis office, the vanir to the sweet. And going with the last one, Ellen Madamon. Ellen Madamon. It's a question mark again. It's a question mark. We will do C, okay? Do you want to lend me your pen? So C, je veux lui prêter. If I want to lend to him, prêter lui Second will be full verb. Prete more stilo. It will be more stilo. So Ellen is asking if I want to lend him my pen. That's it. So students, I want you guys to copy this down quickly. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, students? Students, after this, we are doing, let's do 5 sentences from indirect to direct also, okay? Uh, yes. Chalo. Starting with the first one, Mary declares, this is question number 2, right? Hmm. Mary declares que elle a reçu une lettre de sa sœur. Mary declares that. So guys, it's a very normal one. Mary declare, and then this time we have to put brackets, okay? Mary declare that she received a letter. So she'll say, I received. J'ai reçu une lettre de. I received a letter from my sister, okay? The master, S-O-E-U-R. Mary declares that I received a letter from my sister. Second one, elle dit que elle doit partir dans une heure. She says that she must leave in an hour. So again, elle dit, and then it's going to be je. Again, it's going to be je. Okay, je dois partir dans une heure. Is it okay, students? Elle will become je over here. Okay, she declares. She says, I must leave in an hour. I must leave in an hour. Il demande quelle heure est il? So il demande, and then students, what we can do? We can just do interrogative. Okay, quelle heure? Il will become est-il. That's it. Question mark. Il demande quelle heure est il. You just have to make a question mark and put interrogative. Okay. They are asking what time is it. Mes amis m'annoncent. So let's keep this part here same. Mes amis me et annonce. I will remove the cur. Okay. They are going to marry. My friends are announcing to me. It will all remain same now. News. We are going to. Okay. It will become news. Zala. They have used future cross. I'm also going to use future cross. Okay. We are going to marry ourselves. My friends are announcing to me, we are going to marry. Last, again, le professeur demande. Okay, students, now circle. Circle will change to qu'est circle. Always remember, okay? Qu'est circle. Qu'est circle. Circle, nous pensons de son excès. Oui, donc qu'est circle, vous pensez de mon exercice. Done. Question mark. Students, I want all of you to copy the time stuff. Joseph, how is it going? Is it easy or difficult, Joseph?
Easy, sir.
Shall everyone go for it, okay? Okay, students, so thank you so much. It was nice having all of you. Just copy this part so far, and also students, subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget, if you get any benefit from the videos, like the video, share it with all your friends, and please share the channel to your juniors also. I have uploaded a lot of videos for 10th standard CBSE especially. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.